In a given figure, we have to prove that angle X is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. So let us do one simple construction. Draw a line and let us suppose this part of the angle is 1 and this part of the angle is 2 and this is 3, 4 and suppose this is 5 and angle 6. In this triangle, using the exterior angle property, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Similarly, in this triangle, exterior angle is 2, interior opposite angles are 5 and 6. Here we use the exterior angle property. Listen. This is the exterior angle. Suppose this is A, B, C. So angle A is equal to B plus angle C. We use this property here. Now let us add these two equations. This 1 plus 2 and this 3 plus 5 and 4 plus 6. See, 1 plus 2 means X. 3 plus 5 means angle Q. 4 and 6 means P and R. Hence we proved X is equal to P plus Q plus R. In a triangle ABC, BO and CO are angle bisectors of B and C. We need to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 plus A by 2 in triangle ABC. Angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. In geometry, we have to keep eye on the to prove part. We need here A by 2, so let us divide by 2 whole expression. (180 upon 2) means 90. We shifted the A by 2 here. B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now see in triangle BOC. Angle BOC plus X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. X plus Y means half of B and half of C. That already we proved. 90 minus A by 2. We can give region from equation number 1. In place of B by 2 and C by 2, we put here 90 minus A by 2. So this will be shifted here. Finally, we are having BOC is equal to 90 plus A by 2. So we proved here angle BOC is equal to 90 plus A by 2. The surface area of the conical part and hemispherical part of this vessel are equal. Then find out the ratio of radius and height of this conical part. Surface area of the conical part is pi RL and surface area of the hemispherical part is 2 pi R square. So here pi will be cancelled and 1 R will be cancelled. L is equal to 2R. Now using Pythagoras, this is H, this is R. Using Pythagoras, L is equal to H square plus R square under root. Now squaring both sides, H square is equal to 4R square minus R square, 3R square. Now concentrate in the calculation part. R square upon H square is 1 upon 3, so R upon H will be 1 upon root 3. So this is the ratio 1:√3. In a given diagram, AOB is the diameter of circle and angle QOR is 30 degree. We need to find the angle X. So listen student, AOB is a diameter. So this part is a semicircle and we know that the angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. And by linear pair, BQP is also 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. Now listen student, this angle is at the center 30 degree and by the same arc QR, this angle is also subtended. So this is at the center, so this will be 15 degree because it is the remaining part. Ability to recognize this one, see, most of the question based on this concept. This blue is the arc QR, the angle 30 in front of this and angle 15, this angle we found is also in front of this. Therefore, this is a half of 30. Now, in a triangle PQB, we'll apply the angle sum property. So angle X is 75 degree. This is the answer.